My people, married woman don't come outside, expose her husband. According to her, she don't tire to dey keep this secret. And e no easy because not be everybody fit get mind come outside dey talk some kind things. And according to her, she say her husband now dey try initiate her 9-month-old baby to dey become gay. Na be say anytime wey she dey come inside, she say she don catch them in many occasions. Oh, say she go see say your husband don carry the pikin in hand, dey put am for im gundus, dey, you understand, dey massage. No be small thing, my people. And now the woman no dey take anything funny. She say she don call the family members, everybody dey do I don't care, I don't care. Abeg, for now we no know wetin dey happen. Because make we watch the video.
Because, okay, let me just even come out straight. Because I was cooking in the kitchen. I was cooking in the kitchen and I heard my son scream out loud. You understand me? On getting there, that was like last 2 months, if I'm not mistaken. The way manner I saw my son, husband was lying down naked on the chair, black chair. And my baby was beside him, pulling his manhood. I was like, babe, I don't like this kind of thing. Don't allow Onyeka touch your manhood. You are his father. Please don't allow him touch your manhood. And I was like, I just carried my baby and we actually laughed over it. It happened again the second time in that same week, of which I said the same thing. I said, please, I don't like Onyeka touching your manhood.
Abomination. Which kind madness be this one? No, where this country they go, where this world they go like this, my people, where? I dey tell una say this kind things, they very serious. Una no they believe me. Because I know say many people don't they talk say, Madam Aproko, you dey sure? My people, are they sure? For una we get here, make una hear. You understand? And I know, are they very sure, See this man where we dey talk about, they no even dedicate them. You know, say when they give birth to pikin, they dedicate them to God, they take am go church. They no do them to this man, because if they do am, I no sure say this man go get mind to they do this kind of thing. You know wetin we dey talk about? See, you know say you be gay. Now you know jejely pack yourself, go meet your fellow men. You come marry woman, they stress am, they waste her time. Because this woman for don't marry another person. She for don't marry another person, they live her life. Abi the man even use this marriage take cover up, you understand? Because some people, because they don't want make people not say, okay, now like this they go can't use another thing, cover up. Maybe use the marriage. And now the woman can't they suffer this thing. And according to news, this one are the second marriage, yo. Now they understand. Now no wonder. Now why the first marriage not even kukuma work? Who go? No, you fit deal with person like this. This man leave Bobrisky. He leave James Brown. Bugba Atibo, all those people, they know themselves. He live on your own blood. This thing, they knock me popa for head. You leave all these people. Women. I bet make una assemble for you. Before you marry, make sure say you pray. You get to be very spiritual this period, because now we know even at the time you make una no rush inside marriage, yo. Wait at least 6 months, date person. 6 months, 1 year, if possible, 2 years. He never dey late. And I beg, before now marry, be like say now this one we go even start now. Make sure say you understand. Test your man. Test her with your fellow men. Because now we don't know who to trust. We don't even know who be real man. We don't know who be my people. We supposed to do am. Because as it be now, women, if una no wake up, sorry be una name. No, not just bother. Una won't go finish for una eye like this koro. It is very, very important. If you no marry now, then go talk. You can't marry, wahala on top. No, see this one now. Now they understand why some women they don't just give up, like they don't already leave them. They say marriage no be my team. I don't blame them. Everybody get reason for their statements. Everybody get reason. See this kind, no, this not pathetic. This story, no, match, match. You understand? So I beg, make una wake up, make una rise up. See, no rush. They no write am anyway. Say if you no marry, you go die or na sin. They no write am. Take your time, study the man. Man too, study the woman. Not be because I don't bring man matter. Women una own too, dey una body. You understand? Each person suppose study im partner. It is very, very important. You understand? I don't talk am because it be like anytime where they bring something, una no dey hear. If you know say you no fit carry responsibility, no go do my people. Man don run away now, just like that. as he put gundus, and so the wife come give birth to four children at once. Wahala don wear shoe. No be small thing. And these people, before now, they been get 5 children. Before this last one, as they come do, the woman come go push again. Now 4 come out once. And so the man, be like say pressure, be like say the whole thing, he no fit carry am for head. And so the man just disappear. Because him been dey expect one. As he do now, he dey expect one. My people now so 4 come outside. The man japa, he pick race also. No be small matter. Nigeria. See wetin people dey cry for. Now if you see they run, if they abandon, if they leave am. Una no know say this thing a blessing. I don't know why people, Africans, we no sabi appreciate good thing. Men, now una go still come outside though. They insult woman. When una marry woman, wey take time, wey she no born, you are barren, you are this, you are that. Where all those mother-in-laws, wicked mother-in-laws, una too join for this matter. Say woman no fit born, say she be man, many insults. Wey una sabi una sef. Now this one don born. Wetin happen? No be run, you run. No, make una come outside talk now, because I dey sure say this man wey run get mama. If this woman no been born now, we for the hear many stories, una go even post am for internet. Now she don born, you dey run, you dey run. No, why you dey run? No be you give am belle. Men una go dey do like say na woman dey impregnate herself. No, na wetin you put inside she bring out. Abi my people, you put am, she bring am out. You no know say you get 5 before you go do this one again. Poor people, I don't know if una don't notice this thing. Poor people sabi do. 1 minute like this, they don't enter. Another 1 hour, they don't enter. 10 seconds, they don't. Now the only thing, they be like foul. Poor people, they do like foul. You know how fouls they do. And the annoying part for this woman, be say the man no even get money. I don't tell her before. Men, I don't tell her, if you no get money, no get erection. I don't tell her before, because now these things they cause her. See the woman now, helpless. She don't even know what she go do again. No, how this woman only her want take care of 9 children? Una don't think am. How? Now why to go school they very important. It is very important to go school, my people, because imagine say this woman go school, she go dey exposed. She go know about condom. Not be say she no know as at now, but what did she go do? She for know all these things. Family planning, you know those many things. But she no go school, and they should say the man too no go school. Bunch of abeg, make I no even insult these people, because the way they think, I don't know if una dey feel wetin I dey feel. They vex me. No enter place where you know say you no go fit come out. No enter. Women, see, make we get sense. If no, because this woman now, even if you know they pity yourself, you no go pity these children. I dey sure say very soon now. I no be say I dey pray for them, but now normal thing will go happen. Before you know it now, they no go fit they go school. Before you know it now, they no go fit they chop. Many things. Now all these things they go see, make una dey careful. And dey careful with who una even they marry. Now by force. You don't marry, you don't born 1, 2, 3. Stop for there. You know your financial situation. You still they go they do. You too, mumu. They tell you too, you open leg they do. Now wow. See, Nigeria government, I beg, do something concerning this woman. Do something concerning this woman. And I beg you. Now why I like abroad? Why people they know they waste time? If president for white country hear this kind of thing, una no hear the last one wey happen, woman wey give birth to how many, na 8 abi wetin, everything free, they pay for everything, they give her. Na like this e suppose be. See, we suppose encourage even if they no try, you understand, na out of say they no go school, but still make we try help. Na why I bring this video come now. Abeg, if una know the woman, even if you don't know her, you no need no person before you help am, you understand, make we try join hand together, you understand, support this woman because she need am. E no easy o, 9 children, abeg, you understand. And I dey sure say many of una even dey look for fruit of the womb. As you dey help am, God go also do your own. So abeg, make we try, even if na small, you understand. And madam, congratulations o, because many people dey wey no fit born, although say you don make mistake, but na still good thing, so make we rejoice with am. Yes, my people, na the matter be this. So for 101 TV Aproko Show, if you know say you no wan miss any of these interesting things, no dey come dey go, dey come dey go, click on that subscription bell so that you go anytime wey you drop am, you understand, you go just hear boom for your phone. Na like this it's supposed to be. No forget, drop your comment for the comment section, share this video, make it go viral, make people help this woman, and like it because I know you enjoyed it. I will see you later.